Hey, welcome in, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious tuna fish. This is one of my favorite dishes to eat while it's hot outside. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, what we have here, we have our tuna. This is tuna in water. So it's chunk-like tuna in water. You can star kiss. You can use whatever version you like the best. I have 5 eggs, sweet pickle relish, white onion, a little bit of sugar, some yellow mustard, the secret, not so secret ingredient, sandwich spread. We have some kosher salt and some black pepper. Now I've got 6 cans of tuna here. You just make sure you drain it really well. I don't like my tuna really wet, so I'll try to drain as much of that liquid out of it as I can. Then get it in the bowl and start breaking it up. Once you get it all broken up, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs. So the way I like to do tuna, up to a certain point, I go for however many eggs I use, I'll use the same amount of cans of tuna. I'll use the same amount of eggs up to a point. Once, if I'm making like a huge batch, like 10 cans, I'm not going to use 10 eggs. I might use 8. So here I have 6 cans of tuna and I have 5 eggs, but you can use as much or as little as you like. Once you get your tuna or your eggs all chopped up, I like to mix every layer pretty much as I go. So I'll get my eggs inside the tuna and I begin to mix it up to make sure everything gets incorporated well. Once I have my eggs in there, we're going to add in our onion. Now this is just about 3 ounces of onion, but you don't have to add that much if you like. I think onion adds a nice flavor to it. It's not going to be overpowering or anything like that, but I like onion in my tuna. Some people use green onion, chives, or whatever, but just a nice little white onion. We're going to season it with some salt, some of our cracked black pepper, I like to go pretty heavy with the pepper, and again, mix. If you like tuna fish, let me know how you like it. I know some people just eat it right out the can with a little mayo and mustard. That's not my thing. Now we have some pickle relish. Again, this is about 3 ounces of pickle relish, or just under a half of a cup. That's going to add a nice little balance, a nice little sweetness to it. And again, once we add it into the bowl, give it a nice little mix. Now, I'm the type of person, I do not eat everybody's tuna, just like I don't eat everybody's potato salad. You know, I like what I like. I grew up eating it a certain way. So, and here's our, like I said, secret, not so secret ingredient, sandwich spread. Sandwich spread to me is the best spread to use in making tuna. I know the majority of people probably use mayo, and that's fine. You can use mayo as well, but I like the sandwich spread. It's a little bit on the sweeter side. It has some of those pickles and things already in there, and you just want to add in, you know, a good amount. Like I said, I don't like my tuna overly wet. So once I'm done mixing, you'll see the consistency that I'm looking for. So once I get that in there, we're going to give it a nice little toss, a nice little mix. See where we're at with it. What you want it to, you know, easily hold together and everything and be nice and pliable, but you don't want it to be super wet, but you don't want it to be dry either. And now we're just going to go in with a couple squirts of mustard. Gotta have your mustard in your tuna fish. Make sure you're getting the bottom of the bowl. You want everything mixed up thoroughly. All right, just gonna add a little bit more of the sandwich spread. So basically, I got about a cup to a cup and a half of sandwich spread in this for the 6 cans. And this is the perfect consistency right here. Basically, if you turn the bowl, you know, or if you put it in the spoon, you turn your spoon over, it'll hold a little bit before it falls. It won't just fall directly out of your spoon. So that's how you know, basically, that's the perfect consistency for me. Now we're going to give it a little taste. See if we need to add any more salt or pepper. And we're good there. Now we're just going to add a little bit of sugar. Now I know this would be controversial, but try it. Don't twist your nose up at it. Just add a little bit of sugar. It balances everything out perfectly. Going to add a little bit more black pepper in there, and we'll be good. Like I said, that little bit of sugar just balances everything. It balances the salt, pepper, that mustard. It's perfect. It's not going to be sweet. I have a aunt who makes her tuna. It's just really, really sweet, and I call it sweet meat. I don't like overly sweet tuna, but a little bit of sugar is perfect. And you can see how this tuna holds. And that's the way I want it. That's the way you want your tuna. Still nice and moist, but it's not runny. I don't like a runny tuna. To stick to your cracker. If you're eating tuna and crackers, it'll stick to your bread if you're making tuna and bread. And I like to make my sandwiches with a little bit of toast, lettuce, and tomato. Try the recipe, guys. I'm sure you'll like it, especially on those hot summer days. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. Till the next time, God bless you.